Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Instagram Shop. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to Instagram.com. Log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to your profile page. Click on Edit Profile. Here, make sure your account is set as a professional account. If it is still a personal account, scroll down and switch to a professional account. Select Business and complete the setup. Next, open a new tab and go to Meta Business Suite. Log in using the same Facebook account connected to your business. Inside Meta Business Suite, go to Settings. Select the Facebook page you created for your business. Under Connected Assets, you will see an option to connect Instagram. Click Connect and log in to your Instagram account. This will link your Instagram profile to your Facebook page. After this, go to Commerce Manager on desktop and log in. Click on the option that says Go to Commerce Manager. Before continuing, make sure you already have a Facebook page connected. Inside Commerce Manager, click on Add Products. You will be asked if you want to connect a partner platform like Shopify. If you are not using a partner platform, choose the option to continue without it. Next, it will ask you to connect event tracking. You can skip this step for now or connect it if you want. After that, you will be asked to set catalog permissions. Complete this step to continue. Now you can add products to your catalog. You can connect a data feed so products upload automatically, or you can add products manually. When adding products manually, enter the product title, description, website link, and price. Upload a clear image of the product. Once the products are added, they will appear in your catalog. Even if you do not connect tracking events or data sources right away, you can still continue. After everything is set up, you can submit your shop for approval. Once approved, you will be able to tag products in Instagram Reels and posts, and people can shop directly from your Instagram profile. Thanks for watching.